Is the list of Python reserved words and built-ins available in a library? Is the list of Python reserved words and built-ins available in a library? I want to do something like
To verify that a string is a keyword, you can use keyword.isKeyword. To get the list of reserved keywords, you can use keyword.colist. If you want to include built-in names as well, Python 3, then check the Builtins module. For Python 2, you'll need to use the _built-in_ module.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.